4 years ago, it was a horrible accident. It claimed the life of family visiting Clearwater Beach from Orlando. A father and his 3 adult sons killed. Fox 13 Shayla Reeves is in St. Petersburg this morning, where one of the family's relatives is remembering the men and reminding people to drive carefully.
Good morning to you. Well, when we think of traditions, this is certainly one that no family would ever imagine that they could ever need. Well, this is something that Ginger Bringle, she's been doing for now 4 years, making sure that passing drivers understand the impact of DUI driving. So, Ginger, can you tell me today, who are we remembering? Why is it so important for you to be here today?
Today we're remembering the lives of the McConnell men, Roy II, and all 3 of his sons, Roy, Nathan, and Kelly, who lost their lives at this intersection 4 years ago.
And right now you are looking at an image of all 4 of the men, many of them, 2 of them young fathers there with their father, along with a young brother who was just preparing to get married. It was back on August the 1st of 2010 when police say a man speeding drunk and high blew through a red light here at 22nd Avenue and Martin Luther King Jr. Street and struck the car that all 4 were riding in. Now, this impact has not only touched the 4 people in that vehicle, all 4 of Ginger's relatives, but their extended families too. One relative, their mother, she is now learning to live without a husband, live without all of her children. So certainly every year is literally year by year and day by day right now. So Ginger expects to be out here. She tells me she arrived at rush hour and she's going to continue to remain out here until sunset. And later today, she tells me she expects to be joined by a number of people who are supporting her cause, that cause being reminding people that drunk driving is something that can be dangerous, it can be deadly, and it is something that can literally change a family's life. Back to you.
It's an awful story, and she has a very important message to share. Thank you so much, Shayla.